We'll do. I'll just pat. Yeah, give me a 3, 2, 1. Cicadas are safe to eat.
These cicadas are totally local, organic, and free range. So these ones, Michael ate one raw, and he said that it was similar to wet popcorn, I believe. So I thought that would be nicer in a creamy sauce. The other ones I thought would be crispier, and I thought that would do better as like a peanut brittle, like a praline.
So these ones, these are the tenerals, so it's after they've come out and then when they shake off their shell. These ones I did with our green garlic and shallots, and then I did them with Fines Herbes, so that's a French combo, so mostly herbal, chives and pardon. And then these ones, so I did a heavier caramel this morning, but I thought like to really get the essence of it, I wanted to do like a thin coat caramel, and I did it with peanuts just in case you need a little inspiration and you have like peanut, then cicada.
The cicada. The cicada. Oh my god. I mean, it tastes like most like sugar and like
Have like a nutty taste to it.
yeah, a little bit. I guess that'd be a good way to describe it. That is so good.
I didn't get the barbecue.
That was maybe we have
That was raw?
That was a crispy adult. Okay.
That's more about what's in your skin.
A little chewy.
Yeah. It's funkier than I expected.
The scampi is with our
dressing
green
is
garlic,
great.
so I did like all the way up and with some shallots, and I
It doesn't taste animal to me, and I also expected the eyes to pop or something. There's really no texture difference between the eyes and the rest of the body.
I have a female, you can see it's ovipositor right here.
Oh.
And she's not screaming, and he has a male.
You can tell by his little, the tip of his abdomen. Ovipositor.
The skinny porcupine.
All right.
Like,
You can always taste it with one of these too.
yeah, I love that.
Ready?
He's like fox.
Cheers.
And like,
Cheers.